To toggle between multiple Paycom employee accounts, you need to have the necessary permissions and access to the Paycom system. Start by logging into your Paycom account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen where you will see your name and a drop-down arrow. Click on the drop-down arrow to reveal a list of options. Select the Switch User option from the list. This will take you to a new page where you can view all the employee accounts you have access to. You can search for a specific employee by name or employee ID, or browse through the list of available accounts. To switch to a different account, simply click on the employee's name. You will then be prompted to confirm that you want to switch to the selected account. Click Yes to confirm and you will be logged out of your current account and logged into the selected account. You can now access all the features and functionality of the selected account. To switch back to your original account, follow the same steps and select your name from the list of available accounts. It is essential to note that you can only switch between accounts that you have been granted access to by your administrator. Best practices for toggling between multiple Paycom employee accounts include ensuring you have the necessary permissions and access, keeping your login credentials secure, and only switching between accounts when necessary. It is also crucial to log out of the system when you are finished using it to prevent unauthorized access. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily toggle between multiple Paycom employee accounts and manage different aspects of your organization's payroll and HR functions. This feature is particularly useful for administrators and managers who need to access multiple accounts to perform their job duties.